Hey everybody, Chad at Turner's Warehouse, and today I'm excited to introduce our Element Series pen kits. These are familiar looking pen kits, but they have a twist. These are all solid metals with no plating. These are designed to take on the element that they're in and the environment that they are in and essentially cater to the user. So what you see is exactly the metal you get. We have aluminum, brass, copper, and stainless steel. And why we did this is we want these kits to take on the elements, the handler, the user, and they're going to patina and they're going to change over time. You can also do some changing yourself, which I'll show you here in just a minute. So don't expect a shiny pen forever. These are meant to take on the environment. The first kit we have is our twist. This was modeled after kind of an arrow and a Monarch put together. It's a rear finial twist. It has a cool Art Deco band, which maybe that one's hard to see. Let me show you the brass Art Deco band. And then it's got a cool Art Deco top on the top of the pen. So these are a really neat pen. They're really comfortable to write with. All the pen kits are coming with a premium Schmidt refill, so you don't need to upgrade the refill. That is the twist. Then of course you have your cigar. Looks just like a standard cigar. However, all the parts are aluminum or brass or copper. In this case, aluminum. There's no black bands. They're solid. The cigars all have a brass clip, and I'll explain why in just a minute. The twists all have a steel clip along with the solid metal that they're made out of. And then we have one of my probably soon-to-be favorites is the Junior. They're all solid metal. All the Juniors have a brass clip. Standard threads. You can use your standard Junior Series bushings on this. You can use your cigar bushings on the cigars, and you can use your Monarch, Sierra, Gatsby, Wall Street bushings on the twist. So they're all very friendly to stuff you have. Now you may be wondering, why did we put a brass clip on the Junior and the cigar and a steel on this? Well, the main reason is for doing customization. If you look here, this is something I'm really excited about. I'm calling these the Shipwreck series. These are all copper in the same pens. And you can see we were able to distress and patina the clips, the steel and the brass, to give it a really cool look. And if you look, this pen looks like it's been underwater in the Titanic for 100 years, just rusting out and corroding. We put a lacquer over it to save it and protect it. So this is a really cool thing that you can do with these pens. Now, how do these pens compare to others? So they're somewhat heavier and also somewhat lighter. So just for an example, I have a cigar pen kit here. This is our black titanium, black gold. I'm going to weigh the entire kit. It weighs 43.5 grams. And if I weigh the aluminum in the new Benchmark series, it weighs 30.8. So it's almost a third less weight just for that. And I actually have one here. This is our twist with an aluminum body that we just made on the lathe. And this pen weighs complete 22.6 grams. And here's one I did with a patina and a watch part. And it weighs 44.1. So it is actually half the weight in the aluminum. Now the aluminum is also cool because if you know how to anodize aluminum or you want to learn how to anodize aluminum, every part on here, except the clip, you could change the color to something you want. You can mix and match. You could, create team colors and things like that. So there's a lot of options with these pens. So just to recap, these are solid metal pens. In the metal named, they all have a different clip, so you do need to pay attention to that. You can patina them. You don't have to patina them, but just be aware they're going to take on the elements over time. That's why they're the Element series. It's very versatile as far as making unique things. They all use standard bushings. The twists use the Monarch, Sierra, Gatsby, Wall Street family of bushings, tubes. You can use blanks that you have made for those. Cigar are standard cigar bushings, and the Junior series is standard Junior Gent 2 bushings. So most every one of us have those, and it's really easy to use. So we hope you like this series. We're very excited about it. We're very excited about these patina pens, and we're going to keep playing with them. So look for future videos. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.